guys, welcome back to another video, and I forgot to close the door for the bed. Ah, dang, it's raining. How could these girls be outside? It's freaking raining, guys. Don't get wet, people. Oh, not that way, okay, guys? This way. Girls, what are you girls doing out here? Go in the garage. Okay. Sorry guys, it's raining outside right now, and I don't want to be recording out there because it will get wet, you know. It's already kind of wet anyway. So
everything in our forest. What do you want to put inside? Where is the pizza's already done? Yeah. Oh, Lily,
I haven't been really on my YouTube things because lately I've been really busy, and yeah, I have never checked my subscribers or nothing right now. I'm really into really into things that I just don't really know what to record for you guys. So I do want you guys to comment below what you guys would love me to do. Like, I'm probably making a video of me with my cousin, a different cousin probably, or the same cousin you guys saw last videos. You're gonna see me be eating candy from different. I don't got Japanese candy, so I really want to taste the Japanese kind, because the Japanese is really good candy, they say. Well, some people say, but I just want to see if it's true or it's not true. So it's false, actually. Is it raining? It's still raining. Yeah. I can't be out there. But, yeah. If you guys, I do want to go to Japan, because that's one of my favorite places that I love anime and stuff. You know, like that. If anyone that's watching me that's from Japan, it's kind of weird saying this, but yeah, if someone's from Japan over there, please send me some Boss Candy. Follow me on, you could add me on Kick. You could follow me Facebook. You can follow me on Insta. You can follow me on Snapchat. So, I do not use Twitter, you know. That's not really my thing. But, if you guys want to know me more, I'm going to put in description below my Kick. Probably next video that I make, I'm going to put my Facebook. And then, because the Facebook doesn't really want to let me in anymore, so I had to fix it, and let's see if I could actually show it to you guys. Oh shit. No, I didn't make this sweater. No, I just got it. Let's look at the purple thing. Can you see it? I don't think you guys can. Focus. It's dark purple. So, I'm going to put my Kick, and my Snapchat, and my Insta. When you see my Insta, it's kind of weird because you guys don't know these people, or it's just because I love animals, you know. Then there's like animals there and stuff like that. It doesn't show you my new puppy. I do not want you guys to tell no one that you guys know that knows me, like on YouTube, not like knows me like from here. Keep it a secret, guys, and then tell them to watch a video about me, and then see what kind of puppy I got. I'm gonna go visit them today, probably. She fell. So yeah, it's kind of still raining, guys, but I don't get it. But yeah. I'm gonna do this, guys. The reason I did this last time at the beach is because of
okay, do your form. We're eating.
This is my food. My food is the best. Don't show your face. My food is the best. This is horrible looking.
Hey!
It's true.
No, it's not. It's her. This is horrible.
So yeah,
It is not horrible, purple and like that.
wait guys. Oh, my tablet got away from the back. Oh well, ha ha ha, very funny. Really cool, but yeah. So if you guys are ready for the next video, tell me on my comments below. And if you guys are going to get me on cake, remember, tell me in that one too. Tell me what to do next and see what I could do about it. I am Mexican, you guys know, but I haven't tasted a Mexican food. I know that's weird, right? Well, I only tasted one candy. Just only one. It's called the... I don't really remember. Lucas? Yeah. That's the one I tasted. So, it was... no. Really? No. I did not like that. But, I really hope I get to try more candy. Because that one that I just tasted, the Lucas, oh my gosh. It's not good. It's like sour like hell. It got my lips chapped. Like seriously, dude. What's wrong with my race? Seriously, man. Seriously. Hey, car, tell me. No, I'm joking, guys. Yeah. I want you guys to follow me and Kiki. If you guys from Mexico, well, make sure to follow me, and I will send me some candy. You guys can't really see me on this, man. Can you guys see me? Oh. You guys didn't see nothing. Yeah, the lights don't really work for me. Yep, I don't care. Freaking fly. Oh, well, yeah, today is my day. So, see you next time, guys. And tell me in the comment below. Send me some candy if you guys would like. And I give you the certain place to send it to. Or a certain house to send it to. Probably not the house, guys. Sorry. So, yeah. Bye. Peace, people. I'm not going to do this. You know, they're really bad. So, yeah.